This is how I make sushi using Costco scallops. Per the FDA, scallop products containing only the adductor muscle are exempt from freezing. These are wild caught from Japan, but there is still a risk of bacteria. Thankfully, according to this paper, you can destroy Vibrio with a low temperature pasteurization. They're frozen like hardtacks. First, we're going to do a wet brine with a 3% saline solution. I do about 10 minutes here. During this phase, get your sous vide ready. We've hit our low pasteurization temperature. We're going to add a couple of sheets of MSG paper. Find it really enhances the flavor of the scallops. Set your timer to 20 minutes. Alexa, play Despacito. Let's check our core temperature. Nice. Once pasteurized, let's shock them in cold water. Once they're cooled down, we're going to give them one final patting dry. Here it is up close. Nice bounce. Some people like to remove the side muscle, you can just tear that off. Nice. First few pieces, I was trying to cut them into nigiri. They do become a little brittle, so some of them broke apart. I'm slicing one for sashimi, and the rest I'm dicing them for spicy scallops. It's 3 parts Kewpie to 1 part sriracha. For these, I'm making gunkan style. And for the nigiri, 15 grams of rice, dab of wasabi, squeeze, rotate, squeeze. And one final piece, let's do a Kewpie sear with a little dab of yuzu kosho. These look beautiful, let's have a taste. Just with the sashimi by itself. Flavor-wise, it retains the sweetness. Texture-wise, it's definitely harder. Raw is super tender, almost like eating very rare steak. This is more like a medium rare steak. It does have an oceanic flavor, slightly like a squid. With the soy sauce wasabi, that's great. Spicy mayo, I mean, who doesn't love that? Pretty much just a vehicle for a spicy mayo. It's good. I should have decreased the pasteurization time. It made it to a point where if I cut it in half and try to open it, it would break in half. There were only a few pieces that survived. Flavors are there, but just the texture, it's not a bad texture, but it's definitely not worth the effort, I think. Kewpie seared with the yuzu kosho on top. It's a nice caramelization note. It's really good. My final thoughts. Spicy scallops, with the Kewpie and sriracha, totally fine. If you want to eat as sashimi or as nigiri sushi, I think it is a bit lacking. I think I will have to find some more methods that can be safe. For these, I'm afraid that you would probably have to get the dry packed ones from Hokkaido for sushi use. It's probably the easiest way. All right, well, thank you.